Hi, with this video, we'll show you how to add multiple voice API providers inside VoiceAIWrapper to white label the VoiceAI service, rebuild your clients, control how you build them. So there are two ways to onboard clients using VoiceAIWrapper. You have a manual onboarding process, and then there's a fully automated SaaS style onboarding process called SAS Creator. I'll show you how to add clients using either method. So let's dive in. Okay, I'm inside my Voice API wrapper account, and as you can see, I have two different Voice API providers connected to my account. We give you the ability to add multiple Voice API providers, and you can easily add the one that you like using this wizard. The other thing that is necessary to start onboarding your clients is to configure your white label. So under the agency tab, you can add your subdomain. You'll see some DNS records which you need to plug into uh, your domain DNS provider, and then you can add your branding assets. So that way, when your clients go into your domain, they see your brand, your name, without any mention of VoiceAIWrapper or the underlying Voice API provider anywhere. The next thing you need to do is ensure you have Stripe connected. This allows you to create agency plans and send money directly to your bank account. Under agency products, you have an option to create a variety of billing options for your client. You can charge them per minute or usage based, or you can charge them a recurring subscription and overage charges, or you can charge them a subscription and then give them usage packs to use. And there's a lot of control on the type of currency you are billing in and the billing frequency. So once you have created your agency product, you would have the plans available in your dashboard, but they're not going to be assigned to a client automatically, at least not in the manual onboarding scenario. So to onboard your clients, you'll head over to client.org, and you can add multiple clients. You can add your client account name, and if you add a client email, this will automatically create a Stripe customer in your Stripe account due to the API key connected with your account. Once you've configured added a client, you click on the client name, and now you can add users. So this is the username and password that your clients are going to use to log into your white label version of the account. Next step, under asset groups, you create an asset group. Asset group is basically a combination of assets like assistants that you have created, knowledge base, or campaigns that you have created that you want your client account to have access to. If you don't have a asset allocated, the client can log in, but they won't be able to see anything, right? So it's going to be a blank screen without any assets available. So make sure you have an asset ready so that when the clients log in, they are able to see the assets in their account. You can also control visibility to these assets. Now, remember, if you've assigned an assistant, that will still work in the account, but if you toggle off the visibility, they won't be able to see the assistant inside their account when they log in, right? And you can also go ahead and log in using your white label URL and your client username and password to see exactly what your clients are going to see and experience when they log into their side of the portal. Last stop is billing. All the plans that you have created are available here, but they don't get activated on your client account automatically unless you assign this to a client, right? So you might have like 20 plans here, and then you can, based on your negotiation and your discussion with your client, you can then decide which plan you want to activate on their account. When you hit assign to client, when the client tries to log into their account, a paywall is going to come up, and they would need to subscribe to your plan that you have allocated to the account to start using your white label platform. Okay, so this is the manual process wherein you are onboarding a client manually, and you're talking with them and you're deciding what plan they want, and then you're giving them access. We have another way to onboard clients, which we call SAS Creator. So this is a relatively hands-off approach wherein you can put up your pricing plans on your website, and then when clients come to your website, they can just select any specific plan, and when they click on get started, or let's say based on whatever you've mentioned in the CTA, then this entire process of creating a client org, allocating asset, that becomes automated. You would use this option if you want your entire onboarding process to be automated. Typically, we see clients using the automated onboarding process connected with a Slack notification. So every time somebody comes on our website and makes a payment, they get a Slack notification, and then they schedule an onboarding call with the client to go through agent setup, because that's pretty much what they pay their agencies for. So on the SAS Creator, you can add different plan types, very similar like the way you created agency plans. You can select which voice API provider you want to include in the plan, and then you can create a pricing grid like this. And this grid can have multiple pricing options based on the plans that you've selected. So either you can take this code and embed it directly on your website, or in case you have some special theme or custom schema on your website, you can just take the URL behind the CTA. And of course, the CTA and the text here can be changed. You can take the URL behind the CTA and embed it to a CTA on your website. That way, when someone clicks on Get Started or Buy Now or Start Now, this entire process of creating a client org and allocating resources, it's all automatic, right? So that's it. This is how you can onboard clients under your brand and assign them products and get billed or get paid directly to your Stripe account. We are happy to take suggestions. So as you can see, there's a live chat bubble here, plus there's a way to set up a call with our team under the help section. So feel free to share feedback, and if there's any feature or functionality that you wish to see, do let us know. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.